Hello everyone, it's Kyra from the My Porch Prints design team, and today I'm going to be showing to you the Grandma's Kitchen Junk Journal Kit. I'll just take you through a small tour of the materials you'll be working with. So we're going to go ahead and start with the printable papers that it comes with. It's these really pretty, simply designed papers that you can use throughout your project. It also comes with these journal pages that you can fold in half and use as signatures inside of your journal. Lots of pretty designs there. What makes this kit really cool though is it comes with a lot of unique little pieces of ephemera and cards. You can tuck into pockets or envelopes or anything like that. It also has some unique pieces of ephemera that are these little recipe cards that come with this kit, and you can use them single on their own, or you can also fold them and have them be double-sided, write little recipes on. It also comes with a couple of journal words that you can use that are related to baking and cooking and so on, and a couple of cooking related tickets that you can, leave like this and fold, or you can cut them up and have them be single. It also comes with these tuck spots that you can fold and put on the side, or even use as belly bands to like hold items. Tuck them in like that. I went ahead and added a decorative edge to this one myself, but you can do whatever you'd like. It also comes with these tabs over here, which are pretty simple to use. You just take them and fold them in half, and you can use them either on the top or on the side of your journal, however you'd like to do that. It also comes with these little notebook pieces, and you could either use a staple or maybe a brad and just pin it to your journal to keep notes on. It also comes with these large tags, these decorative ones. And it also comes with some more plain ones and layered pocket pieces. And how you would use that is you would take one of the large tags and then a simple square piece and a little corner pocket piece. And when you're finished, it would look something like this. You can just tuck little pieces of ephemera or cards or whatever you'd like into the little pocket. It also has some of these larger corner pocket pieces that you can see. I kind of put one here just as a reference that you would put little items into that go on bigger pages. We also have this larger layered pocket. It comes with 3 pieces that you cut out and glue like so. You can go ahead and just tuck little pieces of ephemera into the pocket like that. It also comes with these little coin pouches, which when you get them in the kit, they actually look like that. And you just fold them by folding in the sides and then the bottom and the top. When you're done, get something like this. So sides, bottom, top, and you can just keep your little ephemera tags inside of there. It's cute. We also have just these regular envelopes, kind of miniature ones that you just fold side A and side B, and then this larger back piece, and the little tags go inside of it. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. And a lot of people like to take them and layer like 2 on a page, like something like that. And last but not least, we have these larger envelope pieces that you just fold, again, like the other envelopes, sides, bottom, top, not too difficult. And it comes with this one as well, which has notebook card in it. And I think this is a little recipe piece of paper as well. So lots of cute things in this little kit. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in getting any of these materials, there will be a link to the Etsy shop down below. Go ahead and give this video a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And thank you so much.